Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition episode. In this episode, I'm just gonna show you on which thing I am currently working on, and the last world that I had was by mistake. It just got disappeared. I don't know how. So I'm just working on a new land and I'm just gonna show you what am I working currently on. Of course I am doing it on creative right now, but as the work would be done, I would play on survival, and I would make my new house and do everything because I am kinda scared of going down deep into the caves. So I would actually enchant my armor and everything first, then I would discover it. But after some episode, when I would find things down there, I would actually start throwing off the things that I have taken from creative mode and going fully on survival. So let me just show you what am I currently working on, and it would take some time to complete because I'm not making a small house, I'm making a big house with everything. So let me show you. Okay, so this would be my house. Sorry, I don't know how to design a house, just don't. Okay, so here you can see I would actually make a large farm to feed my animals. Right now you don't see any animal, so there would be in this sheep and pig and cows. I don't know if chicken is okay, so we don't require sheep that much, so I would spawn here chickens, cows and pigs. So let me just first quickly complete this, and you can see there is a nice sea over here. So what I would do, I would make a nice staircase over here so that you can enjoy the scenery. I don't know, it is right now on always day, but I think the sunset would go right here, and if it goes right there, then I don't know. Hey, okay, so okay, so here you can see, here would be the entry of the farm, and I would have chickens, cows and pigs over here. Oh, I've just told you that. So I'm pretty excited. When this would be completed, it would look more nice, but for now it is what it is, and I hope it would not take that long to complete. So first let's spawn something so that it just kind of start looking good. This is of pig, and I need cows, and I need chicken. Okay, so I would spawn chicken right in here. Hello. Okay, and I would spawn pigs here, and you can see I have made a small pool for them so that they could just enjoy in there. Okay, I don't want my animals to be dirty and filthy. Okay. Hello. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, man. I didn't want to do that. Okay, so this is the farm, and I would breed them more so that they could more food, and actually I guess seeds to the chicken. So what am I thinking now is, wait for a second. Okay, not chest. I would actually put chests in front of every farm. Okay, so in this one I would keep I guess would does a cow eat? Okay, it takes wheat, so I would just keep wheat in here. And in this one, pigs, what are pigs attracted to? Carrots, I guess. Carrot. And we need actually seeds for the, are they attracted? Yes, they are. Okay, so you can see I could just feed this one and this one. They would actually start breeding. Okay, and seeds to these. Okay, feed, feed. Okay, so I would keep the seeds in this one so that I could just remember what they take. Okay, and this carrot for the piggies. And I would just kinda like to light this all up because the mobs will actually spawn. So the danger mobs actually. So let me just put as many nice torches in here. So this episode was only showing what am I working on right now, what is my project, and this was like it took so many days. This was whole a mountain, and this flat surface is actually a big hole. You can see I could just go inside, and I actually placed torches in here so that nobody spawns. If creepers spawn and it just explode, then it would not be a good thing for me. Okay, so my house wouldn't come till here, but it's okay. So my plans are, this is the farm for animals, this is the farm of food, and for the crops this would be my house. It would be a tower of different rooms with different things. And here I would make a mob, what it is said, mob grinder, to gain XP when I would be on survival. And here I would make a line staircase with a captive pool in here so that I would actually cover my whole house with boundary so that I would be safe in here. And actually I would go on discoveries after all of this is completed. And this is actually the crafting table that I made legit with when I was on survival. I actually spawned on that island right there. So, and what do I have in the barrel? Okay, yeah, I just made a barrel with all these. Okay, so I actually don't need them. Like, I can just put it in here. Okay, so that's all for this video. I don't want to make it so long, and I would actually make a mine into my house or somewhere else on that direction because here it is water. And I found something here. I don't know why it was here. So this is, there was a magma cube here, and when I go here I actually go inside and start dying. I don't know why. So I could just take this. Okay, that's good. And there is concrete in here and everything. Wow, this is a big sea, or seas are already bigger, what am I saying. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I would meet you in the next episode. Probably this house would be completed. Till then I would post different videos of different games on YouTube. You could just go check them out. And I would, side by side, I would just complete this house, and this would be a nice thing. And if I would require diamond in survival, I could just break my house Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys would actually wait for the house to end, and you guys are safe at home. And thank you guys for watching. I'll meet you in the next episode of Minecraft Pocket Edition. Bye.